Hello traders, welcome back to Pitch Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for overwhelming support to my channel. Based on one of our viewers' request, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis for British pound, New Zealand dollar. So I'm on weekly time frame. When we check the weekly time frame, we can understand that these currency pairs have a tendency of going up. This little bit of consolidation, expansion, again consolidation, then expansion, again consolidation. So we understand that this is the nature of these currency pairs. We can also understand that here it started here. Overall till now it is on a downtrend. So from the weekly time frame we understand that it is on a downtrend. There were some attempts to break this dynamic resistance, but it couldn't manage it. Till now it is on a downtrend. This is the information we get from the weekly time frame. And in weekly time frame also, when we see the latest price action, it has formed a very nice uptrend. It has tested this support several times and tried to go up, tried to break, but at this point it broke the support. It broke the support and it came up. Again it tried to go up, but presently it is below the support line in weekly time frame. It is below the support line. This is the present price action in weekly time frame. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. Hello traders, hope you are enjoying watching this video. If you like this video so far, press that like button at the bottom. And a quick request, if you have any suggestions, new ideas, or if you want me to do technical analysis for different currency pairs, do let me know in the comment sections. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So here we have the dynamic resistance from the weekly time frame. So this is going to be a very strong resistance. It couldn't manage to break this dynamic resistance, and presently the price is below this dynamic support. It has broken the dynamic support. It is below the trend line, and presently we can see that it has come down again, trying to form a uptrend and trying to go up, but again it broke it here, support also, and it is on the bottom now. So in overall, in weekly time frame or in daily time frame, we can see that the trend is on the downside. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, we understand that it formed a very nice uptrend, tried to break this resistance over here from daily time frame, but it couldn't break it. Now you can see you can see that it has also broken the dynamic support that was formed in hourly time frame. Trend is going down. So in overall, this currency pair is on a downtrend. This is the information we get from overall analysis so far. Let us see the trading ranges now. This is going to be a strong support. Next support is going to be over here. Then next support is going to be over here on the downside. If it manages to go up, the upside levels are going to be, we use Fibonacci's extension tool. This is going to be the resistance. Next resistance is going to be over here, 0.618. Next resistance is going to be at 0.786. Let me mark the ranges. The upmost resistance level is 1.98505. Next resistance is 1.98010. Next resistance is going to be 1.97245. Presently it is on a downtrend, and first support is going to be at 1.95984. Then next support is going to be 1.95038, and next support is going to be at 1.93912. So overall the trend is on the downside, so I would recommend don't take any buying position, always do the sell. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.